Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Sojib. And my name is Sojib. Thank you very much for watching the video. Today I am going to teach you how to learn the present simple tense. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and more comments, and I am the also founder of English School. You can join my Facebook page as well as a Facebook group. The name of the group and page: English School. Okay, let's get started. The present simple tense, also known as the simple present tense, is a grammatical tense used to describe actions, events, or situations that are happening currently, regularly, or are always true. It is often used to describe habits, routines, and facts. In its affirmative form, the present simple tense is formed by adding the base form of the verb, also known as the infinitive, to the subject. For example, I walk to work, or she sings beautifully. In the negative form, do not or does not is added before the base form of the verb. For example, I do not like spicy food, or she does not work on weekends. In the interrogative form, the auxiliary verb do or does is placed before the subject, and the base form of the verb is used. For example, do you speak Spanish? Or does he like coffee? Here are some examples. I eat breakfast every morning. 1. Habitual action. 2. He plays tennis on Sundays. 2. Regular action. 3. The sun rises in the east. 3. Always true. 4. She works as a nurse. 4. Current action. 5. They don't like spicy food. 5. Negative statement. 6. Do you speak Spanish? Question. 7. The train arrives at 6 p.m. 7. Scheduled event. 8. We usually take a walk after dinner. 8. Habitual action. 9. The earth revolves around the sun. 9. Always true. He sings beautifully. 10. Current action. Here are some examples of simple present tense sentences in affirmative, negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative forms. Affirmative, subject plus verb, base form, plus object. 1. I play soccer every weekend. 2. He reads a book before going to bed. 3. They eat lunch at noon. Negative, subject plus do / does plus not plus verb, base form, plus object. 1. I do not like spicy food. 2. He does not watch TV in the morning. 3. They do not speak French. Interrogative, do / does plus subject plus verb, base form, plus object. 1. Do you enjoy hiking? 2. Does he work on Saturdays? 3. Do they play video games? Negative interrogative, do / does plus subject plus not plus verb, base form, plus object. 1. Don't you like pizza? 2. Doesn't he exercise regularly? 3. Don't they live in the city? Note, when the subject is third person singular, he, she, it, use does instead of do in the interrogative and negative forms. I hope this helps. The form of the verb used after do, does, did, and will depends on the tense of the sentence, and the subject of the sentence. Please do remember. After do, does, did and will we must use the base form of verbs for plural subjects and singular subjects. We won't use any other form of the verb, we always use the base form of the verb. 1. Do and does are used with present tense verbs. 1. Do plus base form of verb, for plural subjects and you, for example they do their homework every day. 2. Does plus base form of verb, for third person singular subjects, for example she does her homework every day. 1. Did is used with past tense verbs. 1. Did plus base form of verb, for all subjects, for example they did their homework yesterday. 1. Will is used with base form of the verb to indicate future tense. 1. Will plus base form of verb, for all subjects, for example I will do my homework tomorrow. Note that in all of these cases, the base form of the verb is used after the auxiliary verb, do, does, did, or will, to form a complete sentence in the appropriate tense. Overall, the present simple tense is a fundamental tense in the English language, and it is used frequently in conversation, writing, and other forms of communication. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I appreciate your support and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.